Hi everyone, it's Simon Keeling here with your fast forecast from Sunday, the 13th of November through until Thursday. And for Sunday, it looks as if we're going to get a fairly decent type of day. Maybe some fog patches around first thing across many southern, central and eastern parts of England, but they're going to be clearing away. And then actually most of the day is like to be dry with some broken cloud. Front you can see here is going to be bringing some lower cloud and some drizzle across northern and western Scotland, northern and western coasts of Ireland as well. And don't be surprised if there isn't some drizzle affecting western coasts of Wales. Parts of East Anglia and South East England tending to be on the cloudier side too, thanks to the remnants of the front you see just off towards the east. Winds generally going to be from the north across southern areas and generally light at around 5 to 10 miles an hour. Stronger southwesterlies across Scotland, blowing at around 25 miles an hour in the west, and certainly milder than it has been, 11 degrees in northern Scotland, 12 degrees across southern parts of England. Now into Monday, it's going to be another mild day once again. We've got a west to southwesterly flow affecting all parts of the country. Again, that brings lots of moisture in from off the Atlantic. And what it does is allow for a cloudy, drizzly day across much of northern and western Scotland, northwestern England, northwestern and western parts of Wales, probably southwest England too, and across Ireland as well. So the whole of this area basically seeing fair amount of cloud. Now further east there'll be cloud as well and some drizzle in the morning, but we may find some brighter spells developing across eastern Scotland, northeast England, central and southern parts of England. And actually, if I just show you the cloud forecast here for Monday afternoon, it picks it out better for you. The white colour showing us where the thickest of the cloud is, but these little grey areas here, running down here and across the central and southern parts of the country, they're areas where the cloud is showing us tending to break. Notice eastern parts of Ireland too. So there could be a few brighter spells there, but generally it is going to be a rather cloudy one. A mild one though, top temperatures up to perhaps 17 degrees in any sunshine across northeast Scotland. More typical temperatures here, about 14 degrees. Elsewhere, typically 12 to 14 degrees. But again, eastern areas where we do get the sun coming through could be warmer. The winds west to southwesterly, moderate in strength at about 15 to 20 miles an hour. And then headed in towards Tuesday, a cloud again, a problem across many parts of England and Wales on Tuesday. Again, it's going to be northwest England, northern and western Wales, southwest England that see most of the cloud with some outbreaks of drizzle at times. Further east, there's a higher chance of the sun breaking through in these areas during the course of Tuesday afternoon, and it will become very mild in those areas. Temperatures getting up to 16 degrees potentially in the sunshine, nearer 14 in the cloud further west. However, you'll have spotted this cold front. This front moving southwards through Scotland, through Ireland, bringing some more persistent but rather showery outbreaks of rain. But what it will do is bring colder weather in from the west as the day progresses, and we could be looking at temperatures peaking at about 10 degrees across central Scotland, so quite a marked temperature contrast between those two areas. And then for Wednesday, the cooler air is in across all parts of the country as the first cold front clears away towards the south, reducing temperatures. Ever cooler air coming in on this westerly flow, and a more persistent area of heavy rain getting into northern Scotland and western Ireland in the afternoon, arriving with that secondary front. Elsewhere, drier with some sunny spells coming through for most, but across the far southeast of England we could find it cloudy here with further outbreaks of rain. Top temperatures about 12 degrees across southeastern parts of England, more typically across many other parts of the country, 8 to 11 degrees. Chilly in Scotland at 6 degrees here with quite a strong west to southwesterly wind blowing, that picking up to gale force later on in the day. And then finally for Thursday, cooler air again getting in, again this step change down in temperatures day to day. So all areas cool and breezy through Thursday. Some heavy showers in the north and also the west. Increasingly those turning to snow across the high ground of Scotland, of Northern Ireland, and eventually across northern parts of England as well as northern Wales. And we're going to be looking at temperatures of 4 degrees across low areas in northern Scotland, 9 degrees in the south, but across the mountains no higher than around freezing point, with a strong westerly wind making it feel cold for all the potential for a bitterly cold day. But of course we'll keep you updated with the details of that here at weatherweb.net. If you want more information going ahead for several weeks, then check out the look ahead. But for now, whatever you're doing, thanks again for watching. Keep the sun shining, and bye for now.